perceive two characters from the story, two male and one female, from the age bracket 18 to 40. All are in positive mood. The action of my story is asking for a permission to organize a fair in the school. Niharika was a student of class 12 of Mount Carmel School. She was the commerce minister of the school. One day, the students of her class had the idea of organizing a commerce fair. So they went to the principal. She took a volunteer along with her and went to the principal to ask for the permission. She explained to him the importance of the fair that will help students teach management and accounts. The permission was granted. She, along with her friends, printed notices and made announcements in different classes about the fair. Many students put up of the commerce section. Many students put up stalls of food and games. Many students had participated. All enjoyed the practical learning of teamwork and management.
Jai Hind everyone. I perceive a big character in my story. Two is male, age is 20 and 45, and mood is positive. My main character is Shruti, age is 20. She is from Management College, and now she want to held one drone technology institution. So she have held it one. She had So she had held it one institution for all the students. So she divided into two groups in that. So this activity for the second year student, and she held it that the drone technology in her college, and divided into two groups, so that they can help these groups into and she gives the electrical knowledge to all the students, and so she can start from the sketch to end, and she have given all the students about the knowledge of electrical, and at the end she give the knowledge about the drone technology, that how they can be start, and about the electrical portion.
Hello everyone. From the picture I perceive two male and one female, all in positive mood. Age group is between 17 to 35 years old. The action of my story is preparing for the annual day competition. School captain Khushi and his school captain Khushi with his friend Ashok both have given the task by the principal to decide the theme of this annual day competition. So they took guidance from the science teacher and they decided the theme as an environment. So they divided the groups of students according to the topic as how we can stop the pollution and save the environment, and prepare the different skits. They represented it in front of the principal and get reported from the principal and give a wonderful stage show for that. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive three characters: two male, one female, age ranging between 21 to 45. The main character of my story is Sarita, 21, who is a college student of MITS Gwalior. One day, she, along with a friend, signed to organize a college fest by the dean of the college. She divided the work amongst the organizing team of the college. She herself took care of the decoration, setting arrangement, refreshment, and the invitation to the chief guest. She organized it well with her team, and everyone enjoyed her team. She felt contented by her.
I perceived three characters in the picture. Two males and one female, and age ranging between 17 to 55. And the action of the story of the picture is the students are asking for the permission of sports for the conduction of sports. Arya and Aryan are 12th grade students, and they after a long summer break and half yearly exam, they decided to have sport tournament conduction among all the sections of 12th grade. And for that they decided the date and date and time and among all sections, and visited principal office for the conduction of the sports tournament. They finalized the date for the next week and conducted the tournament smoothly.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived three people, two male, one female, age ranging from 25 to 50, all in a good mood. The action of my story is the team called the alumni Ram and Shikha for guiding the final year students. Ram is the topper of his batch with his old classmate Shikha, who have been called on the request of the dean to motivate and guide the final year students for their upcoming placement. And as expected, Ram and Shikha gave a great motivation speech and gave few tips on how they can go for offline classes and off-campus placement and their personal projects. And the placement was really good that year. Thank you.
Hello everyone. In my story there are three main characters. Two is male and one female. Age is approximately 22 to 45 years. In my story they are preparing for annual meet or giving idea to the professor. Ravi is 22-year-old in final year in civil engineering UIT College, RGP. He also won the election of student council meeting, student union. So in this year, the annual meet was conducted by conduction. So professor assigned a task to the all leaders to give their ideas and how to conduct the meet enjoyable and peacefully. So he Ravi with student girls leader Rani, he hold a meeting with the other volunteers and give the idea and brief them about annual meetup, and then he got idea and make up all project regarding pre, post and during meeting planning, and they all planning give to the planning and all idea give to the professor later, and the meeting was conducted, the annual meeting was conducted very peacefully and appreciated by the professor.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters, two male and female, of age ranging between 16 to 45. The overall mood of my story is positive. The action of my story is asking principal for approval of farewell party. Ram, a class 11 student who was also the head boy, was given the task to organize the farewell party along with the head girl of the school. He prepared a list of volunteers, a list of the things required for the event, and he prepared an order in which the things will be going. He went to the principal's office along with the head girl to get the approval for those lists and to get these things rechecked. When the principal asked him questions regarding these things, he answered them very logically and got the list approved. Later on, due to the advanced preparations and well management of Ram, the event was very well organized, and later on he was appreciated for his efforts. Thank you.
I perceived the two male character, one female character in a given picture. At the age of 54, 16 and 17, all have a mood positive. Ramesh, 19 years, 16 years, school head boy in a army school culture. He is a head boy of a school and got assigned to arrange a sports event in a school sports day, and with his colleague, he organized a sports event and talked to the principal, and for boys and girls, for both boys and girls, they talk to the principal and make the arrangements, and the races they going to held at the later on at the day of the event. They both organized it so well and appreciated by the principal of the school. Thank you.
And everyone, from the given picture, I have perceived three characters, two male, one female. The age group between 20 to 50 years old. The overall mood is positive. Jai 21, President of Student Activity Council of Oriental College of Technology. One day, Director of Oriental College called President and Vice President and give briefing about the upcoming Tech Fest event. Jai call all the head coordinator, all of the Student Activity Council, and divide the task about the event and brief about the Tech Fest event. He call all the speakers and arrange logistic and decoration for the upcoming event.
at the end, the event was successful and the director appreciated the efforts of the whole team. Thank you.
So gentlemen, I believe that it is
Gentlemen, we all perceived this is the background of organizing an event. So
Let's
We
start
all
with
have to
the
decide the age of the
Let's start there is the three characters and two are males
Many
and
of
one
us
is
have
female
perceived
with the age group of
college.
54.
We can add college.
Age
I
group
think
between 20 to 50 years.
I
So
think
we
it's
can
a
conclude
good
that it's a scenario of the college and they are deciding
And the
they are
office.
going to conduct the tech fest.
And
So we can say that
gentlemen, I think it's a school. I
And
agree
giving
with
the
you,
idea to
but
the
I think
professor
it's
and
a
the
school
event.
event.
Rather than hand they are giving the idea to the professor, we have to conduct the meeting like this and
But the age is
this-
20, so we can't go with the school. The
Yes.
20-year age
Yeah.
is not for the school. Yeah. So we can go with the technology or something, tech fest you have like mentioned on that. So we can go that on that.
And one
we can
meeting.
make one story from the
about organizing, asking for permission, then organizing the event and telling everyone about it. And then the event was organized successfully and then
Yes, overall action is organizing the event.
About the
Like
decoration,
breakfast
about
or
the
I
dinner
think
and
it's a sports event just because the both candidates are wearing a tracksuit as we perceive that.
And they are in formal dress actually.
No.
They are in formal dress and
Not
they are
sports.
and they are giving the
They-
guiding.
they are like-
they were in some kind of uniform.
Uniform.
Both were wearing the same kind of.
Why giving the idea to the professor? I think they're looking happy and they give ideas to the professor. So might be they have own plan to conduct a meetup and then giving the idea and project to the professor to work on them. So I think
Maybe it's nothing like we can go, we can arrange the fest like that. So they're just
And
giving
they
their
also
ideas.
give ideas
Like we
what
can
they are going to activities
Right,
conduct,
like
like
what we
games
can
and
do
other
with this.
activities
Dramas,
which are related to
activities,
the
games,
technology and to the tech fest. So
we can go with the science also.
summary is we are obviously it is a team. We are going for a tech. They were asking
Organizing
for
a
a
tech fest,
permission to
yeah,
organize the
or a
tech
event.
fair, and they were granted the permission. Then they organized the event by planning it properly along with other students, and the event was organized
they
successfully.
both are male, so they are leaders also.
Yes, they
So-
can be some sort of
Elected maybe.
president of the
President of the
college.
college is girl and male.
Yes, we need to conclude the discussion.
We can reach the students.
So
As per all of us is
Agree.
agree with the technology, we can add on the drone and the quadcopters also, and the making of the new technologies that can be added.
We can add the Idea Lab also. There's a hub of all the technologies related to art, drone or something related to electrical or these type of events. So we
As
can
we
add
can
that
say,
also. Yes.
they
These
both
comes
have
into the
different
fest
kinds.
only,
We
na?
can
We can
conduct a
explore.
competition on there
On
so
that,
that
so
they
can-
will be trying for that.
So these all can be included in the tech fest. We can make one related to tech fest, and these are all are the activities on that event conducted during the competition.
आ गया तुम्हारा तो एक कोई भी कंक्लूड कर दो अभी Wants to conclude?
आपस में नॉमिनेट कर दो
इसको करना है।
Hello.
जी
Then gentlemen, from the given picture, we all perceive this is the scene of a director office or they give briefing about the upcoming event. So the Jay, 21 years old, the president of Student Activity Council, he one day called by the director and director assigned the task to the group for organizing the upcoming event. So Jay call all the volunteers and head coordinators and divided the task between all of them and take the look over to the logistic and logistic decoration and calling all the speakers. So at the end of the event, the event was successful and director appreciate all the team and appreciate all the efforts taken by the group. Thank you.